want you guys to move.
Oh, they want us to leave?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, I'll just finish this in the car then, everybody.
Yeah, I think my food's ready anyways. It was cool to meet you.
Oh, you're good to
Hella
great time to try. See you later, homie.
Yeah.
Can I ask him for a bag? For all of this stuff? How you doing today? I'm doing the McNugget Challenge. But I'm also live streaming
Not
it.
good for your cholesterol.
No, it's awful, but you know, I'm an unhealthy guy already. Might as well make it worse.
Get it?
Because they have like artificial. Alright, they have like artificial hearts and things like that. So like my shit fails. Like whatever, dude. Like right? I don't know. Like in health insurance, like I pay $400 a month for Geico health insurance. Might as well just let the junk fail and get a new one.
Geico has health insurance, huh?
Sorry?
Geico has health insurance?
Yeah, they have. It's called Geico health insurance. They have life insurance as well. They're very expensive, but it's pretty good. They don't give you shit. There's like, oh, you're in the hospital. Here you go. Did the did the McDonald's call you guys or?
Yeah.
Okay. That's weird. They could have just told me to leave.
I think from the previous behavior, they're a little intimidated. So
I'm a guy with 100 McNuggets. What's intimidating about that? If anything, I'll run out of breath and die.
It's not you. It's your followers and your viewers that are calling them and threatening them.
Okay.
So,
well, that's unfortunate.
somebody, I guess they got actually 5 different calls. So
Right. That's unfortunate. All right. That's understandable.
Viewers will do that stuff, being cute.
At least you guys understand and aren't like confused as to what the hell's going on. All right.
I get it. Whatever.
Well, that's a good response. All right. I'm trying to figure out how I can hold all this stuff.
Let's make 2 trips.
Thanks, guys.
What camera are you using?
Sony FDR X3000.
I guess you got a sight or something, I guess, or
I mean, it's just a Sony camera.
what?
It's just a Sony camera.
No, I know. But I guess you have like a sight or something.
Oh yeah. Well, I stream on YouTube,
Okay.
so it's just it's just a YouTube stream. But I don't know. If you guys aren't busy, how about I go for a ride along? That'd be some good content.
Get going. Get out.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Is this your cord? You got a cord?
Oh yeah. Sorry. Let me grab that.
Don't tell us sorry. It's your cord. I have to put it on eBay. So.
All right. Thanks,
All right,
guys.
man.
Okay, that was. God damn it. Fuck. Then that is part of the reason why I was like, what the fuck am I gonna do in St. Louis?
Fuck you back, go.